Hello! In today's short video we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Rode VideoMic Go. This great product is a clip-on directional microphone that goes on top of your camera. Effectively, if you've got this type of camera, it fits on the top, aiming out, which allows you to get a better, crisper quality of sound if you're talking with 2 or 3 people. Right, let's have a little look at it. Let's have a look at the product and see what's inside the box. I will go into a bit more detail. We'll have a close-up look a little bit later, but first of all, let's see what we got. Right. First glance, you have the Rode microphone with the attachment that goes on top. You've got a wire. Oh, that's nice and easy to get into. Right, that's light. That's nice and light. That's not going to affect the camera's weight whatsoever. In fact, that hardly weighs anything. And that, there we go. That's now fitted on top of there, like so, giving a directional microphone on my M50. Now, I say my M50. There we go, we've got the cable. Cable plugs into the back. Nice and simply, straight into there. That's just gone clip. That's a 3.5mm standard connector. On the side of the mic there, input, like so. There we go. Now that is very easy to fit. It's very lightweight, and to be honest with you, it looks rather cool on top of the camera. So, does it affect? No, it doesn't affect or interfere with my screen. So that's good. You can still see the screen, even though that's coming out the same port. You see there. So if you were talking directly to the camera, so you could keep yourself in the middle, and you know you're getting a nice, crisp, clear sound quality as well. That looks good. Right. Well, in that case, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let us have a bit of an up-close video look at it, and we'll go from there. as you can see, that's a great little bit of product, nice and light, and does the job. So if you'd like a little bit more information on the Rode VideoMic Go, feel free to pop along to our website or have a look down in the comments below in the description, because in there you'll find a link to the product itself, some more information, and how to buy it. I hope that you found that interesting. If you do find our videos interesting, you might want to consider subscribing, or at least giving us a thumbs up, because we'd like to have you along next time. So thanks a lot for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you. Bye.